What is up? Yo, broski, how you doing? I'm doing good, brother. I'm really doing awesome. Never been good. Something like that. How you doing, though? Okay, perfect. Clear selling model like that. So I need to put the guy right there. No. But for that, I need to wait for this 15-minute candle to get closed below. There's an unclosed 15-minute value gap. Do you have any inflow right here? No. As you can see, we have multiple inversion right here. As you can see, there is another inversion. Market structure shift. Price came back into this parallel gap. Same here, brother. I want any retestment. I want probably a retestment into this 5-minute value gap or something like that. Okay. Asian low has been taken out. And this is what I want to see. Just trust me, like I said. Is that the leader account? Yeah, perfect. I guess that 15-minute gap is still holding. As you can see, price came back down to sweep these lows, and probably we can expect the price to expand to this highs. And maybe more than that, maybe somewhere here or here. But before this happens, we cannot enter on a trade. And also on top of it, we have this and this high right here, internals. I want to see a price that closes about this and probably about this. And if that doesn't happen, me not interested in this trade. Okay, let's that was not supposed to happen. Basically a free trade now. On cap, it stops out because I should be supposedly entering this trade at this break of structure. I don't know why. I was trying to set my limit order and I got executed. So I'm breaking even the trade. What's wrong with that? Not losing profits. Unless and until my risk management, my psychology is good, I can always go for another trade. Okay, perfect. We got three positions running perfectly. Healthy boys. There it is, the breakup structure that we expected. Now this trade is just I don't even know what to call it. Break even. That's 5 minutes fair value gap, and also we will mark out the range. Discount. That's a good change in state delivery right there. I want to see a break about that high or a sweep about that high, or else I'm not going to go for short entries, because we still have a lot of reasons to go short. We still have this low right here. We got the extended low. .30 point stop loss, and target is going to be up there. Did we close below? No. Should I wait for it? It's gonna be the break even. Got a fair value gap right there. That's a nice push reaction. Aftermarket sweeps the Asian low. I like this trade. There's my signal. That's a tiny 26-point stop loss. Again, this is going to be my break-even point. I didn't like the way the price actually went around there. Now we got some bit of a displacement. We're rejecting instantly off this 1 minute fair value gap. At least price go out there and sweep the market open high. If that happens, cool. Let them go. We're just gonna sit on break even, right? So okay with that. We don't have any dreadful news, so I'm good with the 10 o'clock entry. Should be a reversal. But going for longs, let's see. 15-minute candle, really awesome closer. Rejecting off the 15-minute fair value gap, and also it is basically sweeping out all the liquidities. So I'm really happy to see a closer like that. As you can see, the 15-minute candle. Slow market today. Could have actually, didn't actually have an entry right here. One entry was this, and the fair value gap entry now. I'm okay with the fill, okay with the stop loss. Everything is perfect. I already took two trades. The first trade, I closed it manually. I didn't close it manually. Break even. Second trade is this. Struggling to go about that high. What the hell? Closed about this 15-minute fair value gap too. So what the dude? Why you gotta be scaring me like that? Uh-huh. Okay. I think this would be it would be time. I think it's time. One, it's gonna consolidate, eventually stop me out. Two, should pump up by now. Also, we are inside macros. I don't actually look at that. Could have entered right up there. Change the delivery entry. There it is. Break even. Free trade. Look at the risk management. Wow. If I could do this when I was like in my first year, I'd have been way more, way profitable before. Holy shit. Even though this trade is top, if this trade stops me, I'll break even and go for another trade. I still didn't lose a single dollar today, which is crazy. And I took 3 trades technically. How many trades was it? How many trades was it? It's already been 3 to 6 trades. Yeah, 3 trades already. Perfect net. I'll take that. Oh, just the $26 stop, 26-point stop loss. I never expected I would be trading like this. Wow. All thanks to God. Why you consolidating with that man? Go up. Go up then. Picture setting saved. I really want to come back down to hit my stop loss. Really? That's so stupid, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There it is. I'm gonna keep my stop loss about the breaking block. 38-point stop loss. That's a breaker. I mean, we got a change state. And I'm just keeping my stop loss about that high. Should not be this deep in drawdown. Should keep going down. Wait a minute. I can get stopped out right here. There's a high possibility of me getting stopped out. There's no rejection yet. That's a nice push down. Yeah, we're going down for sure. Conversion. Universe actually two fair value gaps back to back. So maybe my stop loss should be around there. If I would have kept that up there, I would have got stopped out eventually. So once I get a break I get a close below this inversion, fair value gap, I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna cut down my risk to 50%. No, I'm gonna have it there because I have a fair value gap up there. I want to see that as a breaker block. If this price action breaks this low, then we can confirm that this is going to be a breakaway gap. Then I can actually cut down my risk to 50%. Still haven't actually, like, I don't feel this trade is actually gonna go like that down. It's not gonna go down like that. It is definitely going to have a retracement inside that fair value gap. And if I keep my stop loss up there, it's going to be $100, $115 stop loss. So I'm not going to be done like that. Once this low gets breaking, then I can say this is going to be a breaking gap. It's actually struggling to go over. It's just a tough day. That was bad. Too wet. That is just a tiny $70 stop loss. Can still go for another entry, as I said. That's two stop loss back to back. Wow. Wow. That signals that I should not be trading today. And my screen stopped sharing. Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. That's going to be the last trade. I'm still going to target that because that is the valid place I can actually target. If I'm actually scaling up or like having higher contracts, then I can target this one. Just having one contract, so this is going to be the optimum place that I can target. I think I just need to survive this day. I really do need to survive this day for sure. I'm actually fighting the market. Did I get the inversion? And I didn't actually have that low right there taken out. I took an entry before that, which is a real bad sign, real. And the reason for this fair value gap still being valid didn't actually go up all the way up. And no, like close or sweep about the third candle high. So I'm following the risk management, so I could actually take a trade. But I'm not following the pattern recognition right here. I'm not. I didn't wait for it. I lost my patience. I think I am going to go crazy if I keep sitting here. That's another 36 point stop loss. $70, $80. My max risk is 300. So let's see. Still gonna go looking for short entries. I'm not actually gonna buy because of this stupid thing. Look at the bright side. Just the $200 loss, losing day. Not a 700, not a 800, not a $900 losing day. Why am I keep looking for short entries and I still getting stopped out? Wow, dude. I don't know what the hell happened to my live stream. This is the reason why I'm not live stream. I didn't live stream yesterday. I was like so annoyed. And it's not properly sharing my screen. I don't know why. Look at that. Even now my screen is actually sharing. Come on, dude. Yeah. There is. Look at that. Just wanna know the exact numbers of how many trades I've taken today. Just to trust me and accept me. I want to show up already. This is now one of the days. This is one of the days that I need to survive. Clearly in my face. Once the clock hits 11 o'clock, I'm done. No matter how much risks I still have pending or how much still I can risk for the day. As long as the price, as long as the clock hits 11 o'clock, I'm out. Out of here. It's just like clocking in, clocking out. Why, dude? What am I doing wrong here? I told myself I'm not going for a short, buy entry, and I did. That's the reason why I got stopped. What do you mean, brother? You know what to do, bro, but you're not doing it. One of the days where I go tilt, which is the tilting day. No compromise on my stop loss. Take profit. Let it run till there. There's no structure shift. There's no sweep below this low or closure below that. I'm taking an entry before that, which is really nuts. It's all because of the first trade. It's not about how much money you're losing. It's all about what you're doing after the first trade. And I'm doing crazy shit after the first trade. So it is okay. I still haven't reached. It's okay. All I need to do is just close after this trade. Just go lock it up. It is okay to have a tiny red day instead of a big red day. Come on, God. That's a bare minimum you want to see. You got that. Oh, I wanna see this low to get ran through. In order for me to confirm this short entry, that's gonna run along the way. Took 7 trades. This is my 8th trade, actually. 8th trade. Really nuts. 8th trade. I don't care, but I'm saying this. I'm not going to trade after this. I know I'm not going to trade after this. So I'm going to end the stream right here and I'm going to close my laptop right away. I don't even want to know the result, what's going to happen. But yeah, this trade pretty solid, but I don't know what is going to happen. So I'm just going to let it run and I'm just going to turn it off. So adios. As always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. So just keep going. And I'm out.